Get paid to write articles with the free source that I'll give you in today's video. This is a free and legit strategy that works all around the world. I'll also give you a free tool that will help you with all of the hard work. Make sure to stick with me till the end of this video so you can get every instruction right. Just before we start, let me remind you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you can get notified each time I upload a brand new strategy just like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this video. So with that said, let's now start with this tutorial. So I'm going to show you everything, and since I'm going to give you multiple sources that you can combine in order to make this strategy work, just make sure to stay tuned till the end, because if you skip a part, you're going to get easily lost and confused. So let's proceed with the first website, which is called Sierra Club. This is over at sierraclub.org. So this is a platform where you can read different articles related to environment, but today we are coming here in order to become a writer so we can write articles for this platform and get paid. What you need to do is to first of all go over to Google and search for Sierra Club editorial. You're going to find their editorial guidelines here. Just click on it and it's going to take you over to this page. Here you're going to see what kind of articles you need to write and also how much you're going to get paid. Just scroll down and you're going to see this part here that they pay you from $1 per word up to $1.50 per word, which is pretty awesome. Actually, there are some articles that contain from 3,000 of words to rarely 4,500 of words. You can get paid even more than $4,000. You're going to see here that most of the articles are from 250 words up to 2,000 of words, and this means that you can make from $250 to 2,000 of words unless, as you can see. So it's pretty awesome. Actually, you have the possibility to make a lot of money per just one article. What you need to do is to scroll down to find this, fill out this form so you can send an application. And once you're going to get accepted, of course, you're going to write articles for them. What you need to do actually, if you don't know how to write articles, is to just follow the strategy that I have for you. And you can go over to Google News. This is over at news.google.com. Here you can find different news, different articles related to US, world, your local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, and so on. Because you can even search for a particular keyword here on the search bar. So you can write, for example, environment, since on Sierra Club they write articles related to environment. So you're going to see here there are a lot of articles related to that. You just need to, for example, click on one of these, and then it's going to open up the article and also the website where the article is. What you need to do then is to just copy this article, but I'm just going to copy these two paragraphs to show you an example. And as you may know, you cannot just repost this article because you're going to get copyright issues. What you can do is to use this free tool that I mentioned before that will help you with all of the hard work. You're going to go over to spinbot.com. This is the tool that you can use in order to rewrite that article. So you're going to paste any text here, any article, and with just one click of a button, it's going to just give you your rewritten article. As you can see, it's going to appear on the right hand side. It's going to be rewritten in other words, so you're going to have a unique one, and this one can't cause you copyright issues, which is pretty awesome actually. So you're going to just sign in if you want to have your account and so on. And what you can do next is to just create the whole article in a Microsoft Word document, for example, and then you're going to just send that article over at the place that you're going to work. In this case, it's going to be Sierra Club. But of course, I have some other platforms that you can use in order to get paid by writing articles, or let's say like copy and pasting articles, because you are not going to write them by yourself. You can go over to this platform called Text Broker. This is over at textbroker.com. People come here in order to find and to request different articles rewritten by other persons. you are coming here in order to write content, because you're going to get paid for that. You need to click here on write content. You can even see the payment over here to see how much money you can get paid, and then you're going, of course, to register over here. Click on the free author registration. You're going to click then that you want to sign up as an author because you want to make money here, and then you're going to put your information here in order to submit your application. So here on text broker, of course, you're going to have the client's needs. You need to see what they want for you to write, and then you're going to have that particular topic. You can go over to Google News, search for that particular topic here on the Google News search bar, and then you're going to have different articles related to that. You can just copy them and paste it over at Spinbot. You're going to have the rewritten article for you here, and then you're going to just get that article and deliver it back to your customer, which is pretty awesome actually. So I have some other platforms to show you today for you to maximize your results, but you can even choose the one that you like the most. This one here is called Eating Well, and it's over at eatingwell.com. In order to find these writer's guidelines, in order to submit your application, you need to just come over to eatingwell.com, and then you're going to find the contact us button. After that, you're going to see here the writer's guidelines. Just click on it and it's going to show you this page where I was before. Here you're going to click on fill out this form in order to just submit your application and start writing articles for them. Here on Eating Well, people write articles related to eating, of course, to health, to different recipes and so on. And what you can do is to go over to Google News, and you can go over to the health section here. You're going to see that they even have some subcategories like medicine, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, fitness, and you can even search for the keyword here. So you have a lot of articles. This is a Google trick that I wanted to give you, but also that free tool that will help you with all of the hard work here. You're going to paste any article. They have up to 10,000 of words available, so you're going to just paste the whole article here, and you're going to have it rewritten in the right part. It's pretty awesome actually. You can even use another platform which is called JStore Daily, and it's over at daily.jstore.org in order to find their submission guidelines. So you can submit your application. You need to come over to their official website, scroll down, and then click here on submission guidelines, and it's going to take you over to the page that I am right now. You're going to submit your application. You can read even more information here, and then you can write different articles related to history, because this platform writes articles related to history. You can find them over at Google News, of course. So this was the strategy that I wanted to give you today. I show you also a free tool and also Google trick that you can use in order to make the most money. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.